वी आर लीविंग रुड़की. दिस इज कनाल इन रुड़की IIT. मैं आपको वापस आके दिखाऊंगी. एंड अब हम चल चुके हैं टुवर्ड्स देहरादून, विच इज अराउंड 1.5 hours फ्रॉम रुड़की. ये लेट्स गो. एंड फाइनली वी सी द हिल्स. देयर इज समथिंग सुपर मैजिकल अबाउट देम, है ना. ये रही उत्तराखंड की पहाड़ियाँ. चलिए जल्दी से चलते हैं. टडिंग टडिंग. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम इन मिडल ऑफ अ जंगल. और ऐसा कुछ मैंने तमिलनाडु में भी देखा था व्हेन आई वाज इन द नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू अराउंड. सो सी दीस dense forests on both the sides of the road. Isn't it nice and beautiful? We are in the middle of the Rajaji National Park. Yes, we are in Rajaji National Park. इसीलिए मुझे लगा ये नीलगिरी बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व जैसा क्यों लग रहा है. Yay! So on the way to Dehradun from Roorkee, you have a drive which on one side is a hill, on one side is this beautiful river. It's called the Tong River. So yeah, beautiful and nice. थोड़ा बारिश हो रही है ना, तो थोड़ा पानी फ्लो कर रहा है. It's very nice. So यहाँ पर there is a little layover because of this. अच्छा ये बताइए, how many of you get irritated जब लोग एक डबल गाड़ियाँ चल रही है फिर भी ओवरटेक करके आगे चलते हैं? चलो बता दो कब. Yes, look at this, so super amazing. Switch on the lights a little bit and here we go. Yeah. Okay. Here we are, and here we are at the cradle of the Indian Army. I'm going to show you in just 1 second. And this is the massive, the most beautiful Indian Military Academy on this side of the road, and on the other side of the road as well. So this is the FRI, but we were not allowed inside because of COVID, but it's really beautiful and nice. Some other time maybe. Yay, we're driving past FRI. आज तो सारा देहरादून बंद है, otherwise I would have shown you. I'll take you to a very famous sweet shop in Dehradun, but this is the big massive घंटाघर. आप में से कितने बच्चों के शहरों में घंटाघर चौराहा है? Yes, देखिए. So now suddenly there's change of plan and we're going to Mussoorie. Yes. So I'm going to take you all along with me to Mussoorie. Let's see if we can find a cool place there to eat something. See you, catch up with me. Bye. So here we are at a shop and look at the wall mural behind it. Ain't it so pretty? And I thought before I move ahead, I just need like badly a cup of tea and 1 cup of tea. Because this wall mural is so nice, and I'm here to stop. This is called the Chai Cafe, and I'm here to have adrak chai. Addicted. So we're rolling on our way to Mussoorie. Let's see, 15 kilometers more from here. The hills are nice, green because it's monsoon. Yay! Let's go. And then we can see Mussoorie. Pretty. Yes. So I'm going to show you something with which I have a lot of childhood memories, and they've kind of covered it, but some of you would know. So how many of you recognize this vegetable? We call it lumdu in Himachal, and it's a prawn which we Himachalis love to eat. So this is Mussoorie Main, and we are walking on Mussoorie Main, the road from Police Station Mussoorie and Main Mussoorie. So let's see. Small little shops selling lot of stuff. तो देखते हैं कुछ अच्छी सी जगह ढूंढते हैं खाने के लिए, और फिर I will take you around. So that's Mukhya Dhakghar behind us. If ever anybody has ever seen, that is a place where a lot of Ruskin Bond books have been written. And मैं आपको एक और बड़ी interesting चीज़ दिखाने वाली हूँ. मैंने सुना है कि मसूरी में Ruskin Bond used to come for book signing also. So let me just show you something super amazing. So see a lot of Ruskin Bond books are being started on this place. There's a book stall, और यहाँ मिल रही गरम गरम जलेबी एंड चाय. And this is the market, so that's about it. Now we go and eat at some place and I'll keep you updated. So finally, we are eating food at this place which is called the Chip Chocolate Sumptuous Hollow. So a small, cute little cafe. So I've ordered a pizza for myself. And see, just like this, the hills and the beautiful plains merge. And I always feel it is our responsibility to take care that, the hills are very, they need to be taken care of. And the plain people must always take care of the hills, isn't it? Beautiful.